my next Wild Hare Kits August layout, and for this one I've used the Color Fresh paper by Heidi Swapp, and I've cut it in strips because I wanted to have some white cardstock peeking through the stripes, and then I've just sewn everything together with my sewing machine, and this will be my starting point for this layout. And I really like these pink tones on this layout, on this paper, and the strong colors. I adore this collection by Heidi Swapp. I really like it so much. And what I was planning on doing next is I'm going to use 4 photos. They are here. These ones of my family, and I was thinking about placing them quite randomly onto the page, something like this, and then adding these lovely squares. I fussy cut them into squares. This paper is by Cardmaking, and it's called Flower Market. And this one paper has small squares. I don't know how big these are. Just let me see. These are 2 inches by 2 inches in size, and I thought that I'd arrange them onto this page with the photos like into a square, and then add a title. So I'm keeping quite clean and simple with this one, but I like the constellation of everything in here. So I'm just going to arrange my pieces. I've got them all here already pre-cut, and I have quite a few, so I'm going to arrange them onto the background with the photos, and then adhere them on place, and then basically anything else that I'm adding is maybe just the title, maybe a date stamp, and that's it. This is a really quick and easy layout to do. So see you soon. So this would be my arrangement. I have plenty of space for my title, and I was thinking I'm going to write "We love to travel" over here, and that's basically it. So I'm just going to grab some matching alphas, maybe thickers, something fun and colorful to go with the squares, and then put them on place. So I've adhered everything on place. Then I also added these lovely acetate stars by Bramble Fox. You can see them here, and I've adhered all the squares in place. Also chosen the alphas. These are really old thickers from way back, and I chose to use all for every single word a different type of either thickers or leather stickers, alpha stickers. And these actually are, I think these are by Heidi Swapp. These are really old. They look like this. I still have plenty of them left, and they have the perfect size for titles, and I've been saving them because I love the color, and this color works so well with the pink, so I've added it there. And then these ones are, I think, by Webster's Pages. These are quite old too. These are just regular alpha stickers. These are thickers as well as these, and that's it. That's my layout. I might add some journaling here and maybe a date stamp here, and then that's it. A clean and simple layout. Let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger so you can see everything at once. Okay, so here we go. So that's it. That's my color theory paper on the background, Flower Market squares on top with 4 photos, color photos, and then just a bold title in the middle. I really like how this turned out. So this is a quick and easy layout tutorial this time. Like I said, this is the Wild Hare Kits August Deluxe kit that I have been using, and if you're interested in seeing what was in my kit, there's a video also on my YouTube channel about that, so you can take a look. So I'm back again. I've added the date stamp and some journaling to the page, and now I'm done with everything. Sorry, it's a little bit darker at the moment. So this is the layout. Clean and simple, easy to do, but still a lot of fun. I love these little squares by from the Flower Market collection. They go really well with all types of photos. I find this turned out quite a nice page. So that's it. That's my layout again. Thanks for watching. Bye!